So that first introduction shows him like he knows how to get out, like he's arrested, but he knows how to get out of it immediately. And then he brutally kills the sheriff, or like he like starts to cut into his neck with how much force he's putting. And like the face, I don't even know, like the face he's making is like pure pleasure from it. He's like, he like loves it. And it's like, oh, like this is an introduction.
Because like McCarthy wrote this to be adapted. This was originally like just like he started writing it as a screenplay, and then he was just like, I don't know if there's any buyers, so I'm just gonna put it out as like a novel. Whoever wants the rights, like I'll deal with them. Because like the big thing with McCarthy's career is that his books have always been super acclaimed, but they've always been deemed as like unadaptable because they're just so long and complex usually that like, you know, most Hollywood producers are just not going to know where to start with it and how to market it and how to put it into something that's like digestible for the public when they go and see it.